Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to quote in Notion. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. The first step is to type backslash. Now simply type quote. Then select quote right here. Simply paste your quote with Command V if you have copied to clipboard before. Now you can also press enter, type backslash and quote, and you can also quote turn into. So let's say I have text, I will copy this text real quick, and let's say I want to turn this into quote, so I will select it, and ask AI and then say turn into quote, enter. And right now it will think for a bit and turn your text into a quote, and you can accept it right here. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.